Alright guys, today we are going to do the recoil rope on a stihl fs56rc. I'll put the rope in the description below. Comes with a handle, just click on the link. This guy's still got his handle here, so I'll just be adding that. Alright, I'm going to set up my camera. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is take this cover off. Should be four, I think the torque bolts. One right here. Let's see here. Take the beginning and the torques. Usually it's a stihl tool. Hold on, let me look at it. So it seems they're a little smaller, torque 25s. Usually stihls are torque 27. Out and look at it. Usually they're torque 27. I've never seen a stihl that doesn't use a stihl tool to take it apart. Slide right on out, just like so. It should be this torque 27. Yeah, they are. They're torque 27s. I don't know why this wasn't fitting. I'll put the stihl tool in the description below. That's just weird. I bet there was debris in there and I just wasn't feeling it. I'll put that in the description. The stihl torque tool in the description below. Click the link. So in the center of this, there's snap ring. You need snap ring pliers to get it out. Just get them into holes. Yeah, I need to get this to where I can see it. Easy. Alright, and we're going to slide this off gently. There's a big spring underneath. You'll reach on in there, pull it out gently. Do it without pulling everything else out. And we can't. Whatever, we're going to pull this whole thing out gently. You don't want the spring to come out of it. You want the spring to stay in there, so be very gentle pulling this out. Now we can pull the old rope out. We get a correct grip on it. If this spring comes out, you just start the hook inside here and then work your way around. Just keep working your way around. It'll work its way back inside of here. But that's how that spring goes. That hook right there goes. There we go. Rope is out. No big deal. Take some new rope. We're going to heat the end of it up. I got the fan on. Hold on. Trying to angle the fan a little bit. Just get the end heated up to where you can pull it to a point. Like so. Alright. We're going to stick it through the hole of the recoil cover. And then we're going to stick it right? Is that where it went? Yeah. And tie a knot, simple knot. And shove it down into this slot with a screwdriver if you have to. So now if you look, you can see that this needs to be wrapped like this. So we're going to wrap it up so we've got a full spool. Alright, and see it's kind of lumping out of it right there. That's where we want to stop. Get this inside. God dang it. Hard to do this and show you at the same time. Then we got to find the spot where it sets in place. Alright, the spring set down in place, so now you kind of hold it with your finger and you can see that it'll recoil on you. Alright, it lost a few of the loops, but we'll do a tightening on that. We're going to get this in place. See the slot goes right over that, like that. Then we can get our clip back in place, just squeeze it, put it back down. Boom, now that thing's all set up. Now we're going to reach in here, grab our rope, we're going to pull it up to our slot. It's not wanting to meet up with the slot, whatever, but we're going to go counterclockwise, like one wrap at a time. Just bring the whole thing around and try, and that brings in a little bit more rope. I think that's, if you look in there, that one wrap was enough. It's the rope's right at the edge right there, so I think that was enough. So we're going to go ahead and cut the rope. Here, before I do that one, handle out here. Let me get the handle ready first. Alright, I'm going to cut this rope, light it with a lighter, heat it up, get it to a point. Do the handle. A little more. Simple knot in the end of it. Handle, there we go. Everything we needed. Alright, now get all the stuff out of the way. I'm going to put this back on. Hold on. Put this back on. You may need to pull the handle a little bit to make it slide into place. 3 bolts. Get them all started before you tighten them. Once you got them all started, you can tighten them right down. Whoa. Works perfect. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put all the parts you'll need in the description below. Rope, handle, whatever I can find that you might need for this job. If you want to do any advertising, message me. More than happy to have you. Peace.